Dear viewers, good morning. I hope that you are all well in COVID-19. Yesterday we had the International Mother Language Day 1. Now we will start International Mother Language Day 2. Now the passage 21st February is observed as Shahid Divas every year throughout the country in remembrance of the martyrs of language movement of 1952. The commemoration begins at the early hours of the day with murmuring songs that recall the supreme sacrifice of our language martyrs. People wear black dresses and go to the Shahid Minar in barefoot procession singing murmuring songs. They place wreath at the Minar. Many of them visit the graves of the martyrs at Azimpur graveyard and pray for them. They also attend various programs organized in remembrance of the language martyrs. The UNESCO on 17 November in 1999 proclaimed February 21st as the International Mother Language Day in recognition of the sacrifice of the martyrs for the rightful place of Bangla. Two Bangladeshi expatriates living in Vancouver in Canada, Rafiqul Islam and Abdul Salam, sent a proposal to Kofi Annan, the then Secretary General of United Nations. They requested him to declare 21st February as the International Mother Language Day. They added that the decision will honor and save all listening languages of the world as per their logical expectations. Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina then to promote unity by sending formal proposal to UNESCO. Finally, on 17 November 1999, UNESCO declared 21st February as the International Mother Language Day. The day is now annually observed worldwide to promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity and multilingualism. This is the passage. Now, the passage, some words or phrase and its meaning. Look at the table carefully. First table on words or phrase. The words are read, the remembrance of, proclaim, promote diversity, multilingualism in recognition of. দ্বিতীয় আছে its meaning, encourage in appreciation of, practice of using several languages and arrangement of flower in the shape of a circle, declare in memory of variety. The first word read. Read means an arrangement of follower. Read means an arrangement is the arrangement of follower. Followers in the shape of a circle. Read means an arrangement of followers in the shape of a circle. Number 2 is in remembrance. Remembrance in appreciation. Remembrance in appreciation of. remembrance of means success, in appreciation of, in appreciation of. Now the three: proclaim, 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 declare, proclaim, proclaim, declare. Proclaim means declare. Later, promote, 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 promote means encourage or encourage. Promote, promote means encourage. After diversity, after diversity, diversity, diversity means variety. Diversity means variety, multilingualism. Multilingualism means in memory of, in memory of. Now the last word, in recognition, in recognition means in appreciation of, in of. This is the seventh word and its meaning. The words are in left side and its meanings are right side. All the words are meanings here, but it is as a disarranged. You should arrange it sequentially. This is the answer you have. I hope that you have, all of you are recognize and understand it. Tomorrow you will appear in Independence Day. No more today. Thanks you to all. Goodbye.